Understanding Wire Conduit, simplified for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a term that's commonly used in construction and electrical work: wire conduit. This might sound technical, but don't worry. We'll break it down in simple terms, so you can easily understand and use this phrase in your conversations or work. A wire conduit is essentially a protective tube or pipe used to route and safeguard electrical wires. It's like a shield that prevents wires from getting damaged due to external factors like weather or physical interference. Conduits are made from various materials, such as metal, plastic, or fiber, and they come in different sizes and types depending on their use. There are several types of wire conduits, each serving a specific purpose. The most common types include: 1. Rigid conduits. These are hard and non-flexible, often used in exposed areas. 2. Flexible conduits. As the name suggests, these can bend, making them ideal for areas where rigid conduits cannot be used. 3. Metallic and non-metallic. Metallic conduits are made of metal, while non-metallic ones are made of plastic or other non-metal materials. Wire conduits are important for several reasons. Safety. They protect wires from damage, reducing the risk of electrical fires. Organization. Conduits keep wires organized, especially in complex electrical systems. Compliance. In many areas, using conduits is a legal requirement for certain types of electrical installations. You'll find wire conduits in many places. In homes, to protect the wiring behind walls. In industrial settings, where heavy machinery might damage exposed wires. Outdoors, to shield wires from the elements. And there you have it. Wire conduit is not just a technical term but a crucial part of electrical safety and organization. Whether you're in construction, electrical work, or just curious about the term, we hope this explanation helps you understand and use it better. Stay tuned for more insightful videos like this.